Welcome to our journey through the cosmos, where we explore the breathtaking images captured by the James Webb Space Telescope. I'm your host, Chris, and today we'll uncover the mysteries of the universe, one stunning image at a time. From the fiery remnants of exploded stars to the faint whispers of galaxies hidden in the depths of space and time, the James Webb Space Telescope is revealing the universe as we've never seen it before. Its infrared eyes pierce through veils of cosmic dust, unveiling stellar nurseries where stars ignite and galaxies collide in a majestic cosmic dance. Get ready to be amazed as we embark on this cosmic adventure, exploring the vastness of space and the wonders it holds. Our first stop takes us to the constellation of Copia, where we encounter the ghostly remnants of a once mighty star. This is Copa A, captured in exquisite detail by the James Webb Space Telescope, a mesmerizing tapestry of gas and dust, lit by the fading embers of the star's demise. Laced with elements like sulfur, oxygen, argon, and neon, the building blocks of future stars and planets. Our journey continues to the galaxy NGC 6946, located some 22 million light-years away. Here, we witness the aftermath of two stellar explosions, supernovae SN 2004 EAT and SN 2017 EAW. These supernovae, while showcasing different stages of their evolution, share a common thread. They are cosmic dust factories, churning out vast quantities of the raw materials needed to build new stars, planets, and even life itself. Let's first examine SN 2004 Tauri. Notice its distinctive hexagonal glow, an artifact of the James Webb Space Telescope's powerful optics. This supernova remnant is a melting pot of temperatures, with cooler dust glowing red and hotter dust shimmering blue. What's truly remarkable about SN 2004 AT is the sheer amount of dust it contains. Astronomers estimate it holds over 5,000 times the mass of our entire planet in dust alone. Now let's turn our attention to SN 2017 EAW. This supernova, appearing much hotter and less dusty than SN 2004 ET, offers a glimpse into the earlier stages of a supernova's evolution. Our cosmic voyage takes us next to the constellation Cetus, where we encounter a faint and elusive object known as Donatello II. This dwarf galaxy, a mere smudge of light in even the most powerful telescopes, remained hidden from view until recently. While sophisticated algorithms combing through data from the Dark Energy Survey missed this faint galaxy, it was an amateur astronomer, Giuseppe Donatello, who first noticed its presence. But confirming Donatello II's existence and unraveling its secrets would require the keen infrared vision of the James Webb Space Telescope. Donatello II, it turns out, is not alone. It orbits a much larger galaxy, NGC 253, also known as the Sculptor Galaxy. Prepare to journey into the constellation Eridanus, where we encounter a cosmic titan MAX J0416, a massive cluster of galaxies engaged in a gravitational ballet of epic proportions. Hundreds of galaxies, each a swirling island universe unto itself, are drawn together by gravity's irresistible pull. We'll be observing this cosmic spectacle through two different lenses: the Hubble Space Telescope, peering into the visible universe, and the James Webb Space Telescope, with its infrared vision. Each telescope offers a unique perspective on this galactic gathering, unveiling different aspects of its nature. Hubble's view is breathtaking in its detail. We see the luminous cores of galaxies, their spiral arms traced by the blue glow of young hot stars. But Hubble's view, while stunning, is incomplete. This is where the James Webb Space Telescope comes in, its infrared eyes piercing through the veil of dust to reveal what lies hidden beneath. The James Webb Space Telescope unveils a treasure trove of previously unseen galaxies, their light redshifted by the expansion of the universe into the infrared portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. These galaxies, some of the most distant ever observed, offer a glimpse into the early universe, a time when galaxies were first forming. Our celestial journey now takes us to the constellation Scorpius, a familiar sight in the night sky and a treasure trove of cosmic wonders. Even with the naked eye, Scorpius captivates with its distinctive curved shape, resembling its namesake, the scorpion, poised to strike. For millennia, Scorpius has captured the human imagination. Ancient cultures wove tales around its stars, linking them to myths and legends. Today, armed with the knowledge of modern astronomy, we know that Scorpius is not a mythical creature but a region of our own Milky Way galaxy, teeming with stellar nurseries, swirling clouds of gas and dust, and hidden stellar remnants. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its infrared vision, allows us to peer deep into the heart of Scorpius, revealing the hidden processes shaping this celestial tapestry. Our final destination takes us to the constellation Vela, where we witness the raw power and beauty of star formation in the star cluster RCW-38. This stellar nursery, ablaze with the light of newly born stars, showcases the universe's remarkable capacity for creation. The James Webb Space Telescope, with its infrared vision, allows us to pierce the veil of dust that often obscures such star-forming regions, revealing RCW-38 in all its glory. We see a chaotic yet mesmerizing tapestry of massive stars, dense clouds of gas and dust, and glowing filaments of ionized gas. At the heart of RCW-38 lies a cluster of massive stars, their intense radiation sculpting the surrounding environment. These stellar giants, burning brightly but living short lives, pump out a torrent of ultraviolet radiation that ionizes the surrounding gas, causing it to glow in vibrant hues of red, green, and blue. This ionized gas, shaped by stellar winds and radiation pressure, forms intricate structures, towering pillars of gas and dust, delicate arcs and filaments, and vast cavities carved out of the interstellar medium. Within these dense clouds of gas and dust, new stars are being born. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. The universe is vast and full of wonders, and with the James Webb Space Telescope, we're just beginning to scratch the surface. From the ghostly remnants of exploded stars to the faint whispers of hidden galaxies, the cosmos is constantly revealing new secrets, challenging our understanding and igniting our sense of wonder. Stay curious, and until next time, keep looking up.